All right, everyone, Samantha here from RGA. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate eye-catching images and thumbnails, then transform them into stunning videos. It's an easy and effective way to take your content to the next level. Without further ado, let's dive in. First off, you can gather inspiration from a video reference if you have one, or simply start by describing what you want the image to look like. Think about its purpose, whether it's for a thumbnail, social post, or something else, and type in the design concept you're aiming for. Browse through similar designs for ideas. You'll be amazed at how good these concepts can look and how much inspiration they can spark. Just look at these ones. Aren't these designs just tremendous? The possibilities are endless. You can even take it a step further by reimagining existing images or erasing elements you don't need to refine the look. This flexibility lets you create visuals that are perfectly tailored to your content and vision. Once you've found the designs you love, simply hover over the download option to collect them. It's that easy. If you enjoyed creating these stunning visuals, consider grabbing one of their plans for unlimited design options. Trust me, it's worth it. Check out the link in the description to get started. Next, let's head over to Hailuo AI. This is where the magic happens. We're going to turn those images into eye-catching videos. Hailuo AI makes it super easy to bring your designs to life and create dynamic, professional-looking content like no other. Now, let's click the Quick Create button, select the image you want to use, and then hit the shell icon to generate your video. It's that simple. Now, all your recent generations can be found in the Mine tab. Just hover over to see the preview and then hit download to save your video. Now, let's take a look at how some of these turned out. Isn't this glorious? If you found this useful, make sure to check out one of their plans to fast-track generations and remove watermarks. If you're going to be using this method to create animated videos for your YouTube channel, Canva is a great online tool to help you visualize how your video perspectives could look. It allows you to play around with different angles, layouts, and effects to make sure your video is as engaging as possible. In need of ideas for storylines, use ChatGPT to create everything you need to bring your vision to life. From generating plot ideas, character development, and dialogue to brainstorming scenes, ChatGPT can help you craft a compelling narrative for any project. Just provide some direction and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. Well, that concludes our video. Let us know in the comments what your final thoughts are on this. And if you use other AI software for creating images or videos, we'd love to hear your experiences and tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.